Here's the news of the day.
Rotortrade appoints Robert Reguero as deputy head of LATAM, leveraging his 26 years of aviation expertise to strengthen commercial strategy and regional growth.
NEMSPA's medical pilot career launch, set for March 2025 at Verticon in Dallas, offers hands-on training, expert panels, and networking for aspiring air medical pilots.
The FAA has certified IFR capability for the Airbus H125, enhancing safety and mission flexibility with advanced avionics and autopilot for deliveries starting in 2025.
Beta Technologies 916LF completed a 3,064 nautical mile flight across 11 states, demonstrating its endurance in diverse weather conditions from snow to desert heat.
Howell and PJ Helicopters partner to launch the CH-47 Avionics Modernization Suite, featuring an all-glass panel to enhance performance, reliability, and mission capability.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.